But Coach Ben, you be like say we no go use you today. More use Richie for this close grip. Richie, we get Richie for studio for gym. Oh, come I won't teach you. Come I won't use you now. When it comes to building the biceps in the Greek God gym, we prioritize 3 major workouts for the biceps: the wide grip, the close grip, and the hammer coils. And this is because the biceps is divided into 3 heads: the long head, the short head, and the brachii, right? And each of these heads are worked by those 3 workouts that I mentioned earlier, right? So today we are going to teach you how to perform the close grip coils. In the last video, we taught you how to perform the wide coils, and here we are going to teach you how to perform the close grip. My name is Dino Dangana. This is Coach Ben. Well, Coach Ben, you be like say we no go use you today. More use Richie for this close grip. Richie, we get Richie for studio for gym. Oh, come I won't teach you. Come I won't use you now. You understand? So, my friend, come in. Right, so this is Richie Rich, right? Yeah. So we are going to use him for the practicals now. Now, like I always say, working out and building your muscle is all about stretches and contraction. Whatever muscles you want to build, you make sure you get the stretch and you make sure you get the contraction, and you make sure you identify the joint that is working. Is it your wrist? Is it your elbow? Is it your shoulder? Now, in this case, the joint that is functional is the elbow joint. That is to say that no other joint in the body should move except the elbow joint, not your shoulders, not your wrist, not your waist, only your elbow. So, Mr. Richie, are you ready? One other thing to take note is how wide and how close. No, not how wide. How close is close grip? You should understand that any distance within the shoulder range is close. Any distance outside the shoulder range is wide, right? So let's get to it now. Make you carry your weight now. Carry your weight now. Now Ben do this way too, so it's heavy. Not too heavy for Richie though, right? So is this close enough?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So now this is a good stretch. Now then let's go. Okay, now turn around. Let's see. Turn around. Let's see. Turn around. Let's see. Let's go now. Ben, come. What can you see?
I can see the elbow twitching out.
You can see the elbow twitching out. Okay. So let's go. So how you go qualify in form? Baba, you don't work out like this. How will you qualify his form? In the scale of 10.
Scale of 10, I'll give him
7. 7.5. You don't dash 0.5. His wrist is twitching. So you can see yourself and bounce. All right, Coach Ben, come. Let's show them 10 over 10. So steady, no movement. The energy has to come from here. If you begin and you start it from here, then you are reducing that kick starting from here. This is supposed to kickstart the whole thing, right? So let's go now. You see them strictly. They move. Here, they move. This place, they move. Just assume say your back, they back. You lean on the wall and just the simple and short. If you have any question, ask us in the comment section, and we're going to get to it. Now, in the next video, we are going to teach you how to do the hammer coil. See you in the next video.